Hello genders, welcome back to this channel one more time. Well, in today's video, I don't feel like doing any watercolor or coloring book. So I want to do some craft today. तो शुरू करने से पहले बता दूँ, I already showed few products in my previous video that I will be using now. So if you want to know details about them, go watch the previous video and come back here. So you see, this is a circular wooden board and I have introduced this product in my unboxing video. If you haven't watched it, go and check that out, please. And you see, these are the wooden beads and I have bought it in brown color. So I got 100 pieces for around 3 RMB. 3 RMB is like 36 rupees in Indian currency. And this is a bottle of varnish. You see, exterior varnish has been written on it. This type of bottle is available here. I bought a small one. I thought it'd be useless to buy a big one, so I thought this one's perfect. And I'm gonna apply this varnish on the wooden board. And you're gonna need a super glue, a thread, which is very important. If you don't have it, then you can use other things as well. And it's a mirror. So you see a circular mirror. And can you guess what are these? Tell me in the comment down below. Well, let's start the process. You see, I'm gonna apply the varnish on this shells, and it comes with a brush and it looks like a nail polish brush to me. I'll apply varnish on the nutshell so that this will look shiny and beautiful, and on the wooden board as well. Look, after applying the varnish, this board is it's stunning, shiny, so beautiful. As you can see in the next step, with the help of the glue, I will attach the mirror right in the middle. Oh no, slightly above the middle. See, this is a mirror. I covered this mirror with the tissue paper because I don't like standing in front of the camera, so I covered it up. If I wouldn't cover it, all that will be reflected and you'll be seen by the camera, so I don't want it. I'm sorry. And these wooden beads, you see, I glued them around the mirror first, but then it seemed that at any point, if the glue went bad, or if a single bead falls off, then I think it wouldn't look good anymore. So I thought these beads have holes in the middle, so I will tie a rope to them and make it like a garland. Then I will glue the garland around the mirror, just like this. You see, what will happen if the beads are come off? Then I think because of this attachment with this rope, they will not they will not fall off. So to feel like extra secure about these beads, you see, I'm tying the knot here and hide it inside the hole. Oh, it looks so pretty. Almost done. You see, it's perfect. Now look, I'll cover the whole thing with this yarn or thread. Just make it round and round. Just don't make any gap in between two threads. Just cover it. I'm loving it. See, almost done. And you see, I'm using two different colors on this board. actually this one is not yarn. This is actually made of jute. So I feel like this will look good. So trust the process and don't make any gaffe while you're doing this round. I'm covering the golden bar with this thread because this is an important step. And you see, with the glue, I'm taking two of the nutshells and making a structure like this leafy structure, or you can say whatever you like to say. Pretty! I love it. Okay, to make it more beautiful, I'll take some pearls and glue them. I don't know, but you must tell me in the comment box how much you like it, how much you like my craft. What you say is really important to me, and of course let me know what other things you would like to see. Now, I removed the tissue paper after a time. After putting the pearls in this portion, I'll remove the tissue paper and show you how the whole thing looks like. I really like it. It will look very nice if you put it on the wall. It's a very simple and wonderful craft idea that I have fortunately able to make. You see, isn't it so pretty? Comment down pretty. That's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friend. Shower your love to this channel. I mean, subscribe to the channel, come on, and hit the bell icon so that you never ever miss any of my content. You understand me? And check my previous video. Go. Take care. Bye bye.